we have to evaluate each factorial. This symbol, exclamation mark, we read factorial. We have 7 factorial. Let me remind you definition first. If n is positive integer, then the symbol n factorial represents the product of the first n positive integers. So n factorial is equal n times n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, and so on, until we have 3 times 2 times 1. We can write from the 1 to n that n factorial, that this is 1 times 2 times 3 times n minus 3 times n minus 2 times n minus 1 until n. So n factorial represents the product of the first n positive integers. So when we have 7 factorial, so it means that we have to multiply 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So this is equal, you can use calculator. First we have to press 7 and next factorial. So this is equal 5004. And when we have 9 factorial, it means that we have to multiply 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. You can use calculator. Again, we have this symbol here, factorial. We have in our calculator factorial symbol and factorial. So we have to first press 9 because we have 9 factorial, and then exclamation mark. So this is 362,880. 362,880. So this is my solution.